Traders from around the world, what's going on? It's your boy Ricky Cadan back again with another free real life stock review just for you. It's Friday. Let's review what happened in the US session and the overnight markets over in the States. What a doozy it was. We're getting some bullishness, guys. The market is gapping up $314 on the SPY, clearing the previous 2 days. The market does look like it is going to continue. The E-minis breaking out above this previous bearish candle and slowly trading on higher. Big move is obviously with the airlines. The airlines starting to break higher as they lift coronavirus travel restrictions and straight into the 100 simple moving average and a previous resistance level. Right now we are gapping up another 10% on American Airlines. I mean, this was just an absolutely phenomenal move. If you take a look at the 5-minute, you really had to be pretty much bullish at open. As soon as we had that nice little gap up, you had this gorgeous little pattern right here, nice little channel, and as soon as we broke out, cute little retest, and then she was up and away. But not just American Airlines, guys, Delta Airlines as well. I mean, these airlines have increased about 100%, close to 100% in the last month. Very bullish, obviously starting to break out, looking to break higher. If you're not in right now, guys, just look to buy the dip. I know we will probably continue higher, but at some point we will come down and then look to buy that dip. Here's United Airlines as well, and also breaking out higher, also gapping up to 43. I mean, this is absolutely incredibly insane. But if the travel restrictions are being lifted, just makes tons of sense. I mean, how could you not be a buyer when this is the low of the last decade? I mean, come on, guys. Come on. Look at these monthly candles that we've had the last 2 months. There is just, look at those long wicks. Oh boy. So many wicks. Huge hammer candles, huge wicks, and a lot of buying pressure down at this particular level. Hard to be bearish. Hope you guys bought the dip on UAL or any of the airlines. Here's ASX 200. So I did mention a few days ago that we would probably come back up into this particular level and pause. Most likely we will trade higher on Monday on the ASX 200. Wait and see. We have a gap to fill, so there's not much resistance in the way, and we could potentially trade to the 200 next week. Very exciting news. However, we could also just trade completely sideways as well. So we'll bear in mind, just wait and see what happens in the overall markets, because the US does tend to follow what happens in the US. Here's CBA slowly making its way into the 100 simple moving average. Beautiful breakout. I did mention that if you were going to buy CBA, look to buy on a 50% retracement. So if you did set up a nice little limit buy with a stop somewhere down here, then you guys would be winning on CBA right now. So well done to every one of you. I know a lot of our real life traders have been absolutely crushing CBA. So shout outs to Helen. You are crushing life. Qantas, our airlines are also going up. We still do have travel restrictions. However, does look bullish. Can't argue that. Are bullish right now. If we take a look at the weekly chart, we are right at the 200 simple moving average. So most likely we're just going to pause for a little bit and then maybe trade sideways and then slowly but surely grind on higher. And APT on the daily chart, slowly having a little bit of a pullback, down 3% on the day. I mean, guys, this is getting pretty extended, a little bit ridiculous. We already are up about 500% in the last couple of months. So wait for a pullback, probably wait for it to come back down to about $40 and some change, and then look to buy the dip on APT. Here's crude oil. Now, crude oil is just slowly, I mean, this is like watching paint dry, but if you have a long on crude, you would be definitely making money. I mean, how could you not be bullish after this amazing Morningstar reversal back down here at the end of May? I mean, wow. We are going higher very slowly but surely. We also have a gap here that has not been filled, and we could very well potentially fill that next week. So keep that in mind. Here's gold. Obviously, gold just trending sideways, waiting for the market to kind of roll over and do its thing. If we do come back down to the 100, guys, might want to look at purchasing some GLD shares, or looking to be long on gold. The trend is still bullish. Look to buy the dip on gold. We are just consolidating in this beautiful range right now. So if we do come lower, look to buy the dip. And last but not least, the Aussie dollar. Wow, the Aussie dollar. I did mention that this here was a confirmed breakout just because of the insane volume that we have had. A little bit different to what happened back here. So the trend now, I'm not bearish on the Aussie dollar. Be bullish, look to buy the dip at this point. If we do come back down to the 200, it's probably going to be a viable dip. So Aussie dollar, look to go higher. Alright guys, that's enough from me. If you would like me to review any stocks, tickers, or currency pairs, you name it, leave it in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet joined our trading room and you would like to join our trading room, or maybe you would like to learn to trade for free, that's right, for free, hop on over to reallifetrading.com.au, create yourself an account or sign up, become a member, and we would love to have you on our team and our community. Alright guys, have a great weekend. I'll be back on Wednesday, and until then, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.